Hello, this is Mike Mensing, Secretary for the Society for Text and Discourse, giving you a brief tutorial on how to upload past conference photos using Dropbox in our Dropbox file request. The first thing that you need to do is obviously locate your full photos and put them into one folder per year. We are requesting that you, if you have pictures from multiple years, if you could separate those for us into specific years, that'd be very helpful. So I've set up a sample folder here with a couple pictures from our 2018 annual meeting in Brighton, which was a lovely conference. And if pictures are inside a folder, you don't really need to rename them as long as they're identified in some separate way. If you're going to be submitting individual pictures, we ask that you submit those photos using the year and your last name in addition to whatever the file name is, just so we can keep those pictures straight. The second thing that you're going to need to do is turn that folder into a zipped folder so you can submit it to Dropbox. And at least on a PC, the way that's done is by right-clicking on the folder, going down to send, and then going to compressed zip folder. And that will give you a zipped folder of your photos. Now, JPEGs are already a zipped file format, so we're not doing this because we want the space savings. We're doing this because Dropbox can only accept a single file with these file upload requests. And I'll be including instructions on how to do it on a Mac. It's a little bit different, but the idea is going to be somewhat the same. Now we're going to click on the file request here, and that will be in the email that we'll send, and that'll bring you to this screen. If you use Dropbox as a software cloud backup storage area, then you can certainly choose your photos from the Dropbox, but I'm assuming most individuals will wish to select the file from their computer. So we're going to go choose from computer, and I put that on the desktop. We're going to go ahead and find our zipped folder here, and you'll see that we've got that file lined up, and we can add more files. Now you don't have to sign up for Dropbox if you don't have a Dropbox account. You can just submit this as a guest, and that's totally fine. Please, again, just include the year and your last name so we know where the files, where the photos are coming from. And that's about all there is to it. If you have any questions, or if you'd like to send me pictures via email, again, that's also fine, but please make sure and attach the year and your last name to those photos again so we can keep them straight. Thanks for your attention. Hope everyone's doing well.